Hello, I'm Jeff Benton, Chief Technology Officer with Retail Software Solutions. And today I want to talk to you about the TAMMS Terminal. So the TAMMS Terminal, again located in your system taskbar, identified by a barcode. If you double click, will bring up a application. And this application is a lot like a web browser, but it is only used to access the TAMMS software. So there are many setup areas for you to configure the TAMMS terminal, and we're going to go into this button bar and look at some of these options. So the first one is the Tools menu. So the Tools menu allows you to set up your printers that are associated to your instance of TAMMS terminal on your computer. One thing about printers and Windows is that you do not want to or your Windows printers, if they have a space character embedded in their name, as an example, let's say the space character, say the Windows driver installed a zebra space LP-2824 print driver, the space character would remove it from being seen in this list. So you need to go into those printer drivers after they've been installed and rename them, removing the space character, and possibly also in their share name remove the space character. If that's something that you're not able to do or don't feel comfortable to do, you can reach out to our help desk and we'll be glad to do it for you. So when you have that information and your printer's installed and you click on the down arrow, then you'll see, again, I'm only showing printers that have no space characters, that you can highlight the printer that you want to use, and you just click on it and you're set up. Now the other thing to do with printers is this little area down here that says printer prefix. So the printer prefix allows you to point to another printer on your network that's potentially either has its own IP address and it's not connected to a computer, or it's connected to another computer and you just want to utilize it. If you're using printers that are on your computer, it must have this / 127.0.0.1 / prefix. That is a network identifier that says the local computer I am on. Without me knowing your IP address, this is a generic IP address that says the computer I'm on. Don't worry about your credit card or reader type or testing check readers at this point in this tutorial. Once you have this information in, you would click Save, and the information is not actually saved on your computer, it is saved back on our server. So every time you log in from this computer, that information will come back down. That allows our technicians to also be able to go into the saved information that we have and review it in case there's ever a problem. One thing to note is that if that you did have to make those changes, you'll need to reboot your computer now and restart your application so that the TAMMS terminal itself will pick up those changes that you made, because they'll need to be associated with the login of these stores every time it logs in. And the best way to do that is to make sure that you have rebooted the system so it repopulates what they call the cache. You have a help desk button, and the help desk button just brings up a question form so you can go in and tell what store that you're located at, get in some information about your name, your phone number, your email address, and the information about a problem, when you need somebody to contact you back, how urgent the item is, and when you hit submit ticket, it will send out a request to our help desk system, and anyone that is on the help desk that's monitoring it would be notified, and they would contact you back with an answer or contact you via phone with a solution to your issue. Or you can also just contact the help desk on our through our phone system. The The reports option actually takes you into a back office reporting system. So the back office reporting system currently uses Adobe's Flash, and that's the reason why you saw that message come up on the screen. But I'm not going to take you through the entire back office system, but I will expose you to it. We have a new back office system that does not use Flash, and it should be rolling out any day now. But the back office system allows you to run different types of reports across your stores and export that information to multiple, yeah, that's not a good option. I'm logged in under a different name. So it allows you to get in and run reports and output the information to Excel, to PDF, or to other types of form layouts. We'll do another tutorial soon on the back office system, the old version and the new version, so you can see what the differences are and kind of go into some of the reports so that it'll be a little bit more identifiable to you. So I'm just going to get out of that. Alright, so now we're back into this. The About screen is more than anything, again, giving us information about your version number. There is a, this particular code right here deals with the security information so that we can identify your specific computer and that it has rights to get into TAMMS. So from time to time we may ask for that information if you're having some login information or login problems. The last thing you'll see is something called the uploader. The uploader allows you to upload inventory information to your existing point of sale. We call that the product management system or product master system. We actually have two product masters. One is one that operates at an individual store level. So it just really gives you the ability to download your inventory information, upload your inventory information to Excel. And then you can make modifications in Excel, apply formulas in Excel, and then re-upload the information as opposed to changing a lot of stuff within the point of sale. The other product master is a paid add-on service that allows you to control your other stores' inventory information. So if you have multiple stores, you can control pricing and inventory titles and quantities and different types of information about inventory from a central location and push it out to the stores. The other thing it allows you to do is use our physical inventory system, which allows you to use what we call a symbol P360/P460 physical inventory gun. It is a cordless rechargeable inventory gun that allows you to walk your store scanning inventory information and then upload that information to your TAMMS system for physical inventories, and it produces several reports to identify what your discrepancies are. If you have multiple stores, you'll have this little down arrow, and when you click on it, you can identify what store you want to upload or download information to. Anyway, that is the end of this tutorial. Join us next time.